Hey guys, in this particular video, I'm gonna show you how to insert cover page, blank page and page break into your MS Word document. Well, it is very important to understand how we can insert a cover page into our document because when we are creating an important document or any kind of project, then it is pretty important to understand or pretty important to know that how we can insert these things. Otherwise, if we don't know, then it can become a very problematic thing, right? So let's just understand how we can insert these things into our document. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, it is a dummy content in my MS Word software, and now in order to apply or in order to add cover page into this document, as you can see, we just have to go to insert option, and here in pages section you'll be able to see all the option which we are going to use in this particular video, right? So the first option is cover page. How we can use this cover page? You just have to click on this arrow icon and you'll be able to see multiple cover pages here, right, which you can use into your document, right? You just have to select any design. These are the basically preset design which you can use. Let's say I'm choosing this one. This one is looking cool. I'm just adding, and the document has been added into my basically the cover page has been added into my document, right? And if I zoom out a little bit so that you can it I can show you properly, right? Let me increase the zoom. Yeah. So this is how you can add cover page, right? And you can edit this cover page in according to your document, which is, or whatever the document you are creating, right? You can add date, you can add title, then subheading, everything you can add into this. You can also add images, your company logo or your institute logo, anything you want, you can do it. This is the simple preset design basically, which you can use to create your own cover page for your document. Right now, if I show you again, go back to insert option, and here we have few more options. Otherwise you can go to directly microsoft.com, which says more cover pages from microsoft.com. Click on and it will bring more cover pages from internet, right? As you can see here, then we have remove current cover page. If you want to remove this cover page, you just have to click on this and the cover page will be removed. Simple as that, right? Now you already know that page is the front page of your document. So obviously, whenever you are adding a cover page, it will be adding into the front page. As you can see, I've applied one more and it has been added in the front, right, which is the top page. Now let me remove the cover page. I don't need it right now, so that I can show you these two options. Now let's use the page break option before blank page, right? What is the use of page break? Basically it will help you to break the two topics which you want to, right? Let's say this is one topic and this one is another topic. Now you want to page break it so that this topic can be appeared in the next page, right? You just want to sum up this topic here and you want to leave the page blank, right? So for that you have to use this page break option. I have added the cursor over here. I'll be adding one more line. Now I've just click on page break, and as you can see, my topic is sum up here, the page is blank, and the second topic is started from here, right? So this is how you use page break option. Now what is the use of blank page? Let's say I want to add one more blank page in these two sheets, right? In between this topic and between this topic. So for that I have to use this blank page option. I have to add the cursor over here, right? And I'll be just clicking on blank page and it will add a proper blank page, proper single blank page in my document, as you can see here, right? So this is the blank page which MS Word has been added, and this is the first document. And now if I show you how I'm adding the cover page, it will add it into the front, right? So this is how my document is now, right? This is the cover page, second, blank page, third, fourth. I hope you understood. I hope you learned from this video how you can use cover page, how you can add uh, page break and blank page into your document. And if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.